Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make super easy 2-ingredient magic shell chocolate ice cream topping. It's a mouthful, it's super yum, and I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the recipe as well as some ideas for adaptations to make flavored chocolate topping to suit your tastes. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it. So the 2 ingredients that you'll need are coconut oil, which I've got over here, and chocolate. I'm using chocolate chips because then I don't have to chop anything up. I've just got a whole 100-gram bag of chocolate chips over here, and we are going to just melt them, 2 of them together. Now you could do that if you want to in a microwave. Just do it however you normally melt chocolate in a microwave. I don't actually have a microwave, so I'm just going to pop them both on the stove top and get them melted. So I've got the coconut oil and the chocolate chips on the stove top. Just pop it over medium heat. It'll really won't take long to melt. Just really get that coconut oil melted, chocolate melted down, and once you've got a pool of chocolate, just take it straight off the heat. It's barely been a minute. Just keep stirring, help the chocolate along, and make sure that it doesn't stick. There you go, last of the chocolate is just melting now, and it's smooth and glossy, so we'll take it straight off the heat and go and pour it over ice cream. You can see it's off the heat now. Beautiful and just lovely and smooth, and I'm going to pour it over ice cream and it just freezes instantly, as you'll see. So I've served out a portion of ice cream from the ice cream recipe that I shared last week. And now I just pour the chocolate topping over it, quite generously, I know. And you can see pretty much instantly that has hardened up. I'm going to show you closer. Oh, to break through the shell to get into it. Look at that beauty. As you saw, just those 2 ingredients make this incredible chocolate topping that's nice and hard, and my kids adore it, and it is so good. Oh, look at that. Can't wait to indulge in that bowlful. It's actually the hottest day of the year so far here in Ireland, 21 degrees Celsius. So yeah, gonna enjoy this lovely bowl of ice cream with my 2-ingredient magic shell topping. So that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this a try and what you think of it, and remember to check down below for the link to the blog post which has the recipe as well as loads of ideas for adaptations so you can make your own lovely magic shell topping. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.